Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muslim Mubarak bin Razali. My metric number is 2021602154. So today I would like to present about oil pump. My lecturer is Sir Nuruddin. The intro is the fruit of the oil palm species Elias genesis is where palm oil is often formed. The oil is a vivid orange red. It is virgin state because of the high carotene concentration. Malaysia and the rest of the globe were given palm oil by nature. In many cases, palm oil has actually been utilized in place of conventional hydrogenated seed oil like soybean and canola oil. Chips, fries, donuts, ramen, noodles, and nuts are among the items that are fried with palm oil. Site selection for oil palm. I have 3 points. The first point is strength. The chosen region should have slopes between 0 and 30 degrees that range from flat to moderately undulating, and ideally there should be a steady source of water that can be relied upon for irrigation. The second point is area. A major nursery planting destiny of 30,800 polybags per hectare with 0.91 meter. Multiply 0.91 meter. The planting is advised in order to produce optimal growth. If it is anticipated that the seedling will remain in the nursery for a period of time longer than 12 months, the spacing has to be adjusted by an additional 0.15 meter. The third point is water supply. Prior to beginning site preparation, water needs both amount and quality must be established. The simplest area to get water is near a sizable body of water that is naturally present. All that is needed is to install an intake line and link it to a pump unit. A backup system should be taken into consideration, especially in remote locations or regions with little or variable rainfall. Harvesting. Harvesting takes a lot of effort and attention since only fruit clusters that are harvested at the ideal times produce a lot of high quality oil. When 5 to 6 fruits drop to the ground and the fruits start to turn red, a cluster is ready for harvesting. As a result of having to gather up all the fruits that having fallen to the ground, harvesting the cluster takes significantly longer if you wait too long. Additionally, the oil produced by the fruits will be of lower quality and will yield less oil overall. The way to harvest the oil palm. 4 to 7 years old oil palm with a chisel, we must slice the cluster. Chop off the cluster of leaves without also cutting the leaf. Underneath it, if you slide the chisel between the stem and the leaf. For 7 to 12 years old for oil palm, with a machete, slice the bunch. Put your feet on the base of the leaves of the tree to climb up if the clusters are too high. For older than 12 years for oil palm, we use the long arm sickles. Slice the bunch. Weed management. Several techniques including cultural, mechanical, integrated production system that use animals to control weeds. Chemical and mechanical technologies are used to manage weeds in plantation. In oil palm plantations, the most popular method throughout current phase of crop development in the use of chemical herbicide to control weeds. Included in these techniques are pulling, digging, disking, plugging, and mowing. The target weed species life cycle determine how well various mechanical control techniques work on yearly and biennial species like kochia, distal, and diffuse netweed. Hand plucking, hand plucking and digging are successful. Taking weeds out of a field is known as weeding. It works well for managing crop yield and crop protection before harvest. In terms of the competing for resources like nutrient, light, water and other things needed for growth, weeds are a threat to crops. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.